on the highway on the way to the airport. We're gonna be flying to Budapest today, taking a flight from Al Maktoum International Airport to Budapest. We have a taxi pickup waiting for us at the airport. We're gonna be staying at an Airbnb. We look forward to reaching Budapest. We are now in Budapest. We are staying in a central area close to the banks of the Danube River. We are staying in that building there. We've rented an Airbnb. Let's go and show you the flat.
Welcome to our Airbnb. Come in. Welcome to Budapest. We are currently here at Budapest and we wanted to tour you around our Airbnb. And as you enter, on the right side is the living area. It's very simple but spacious as well. We have like a sofa that can be turned into sofa bed, a table, then we have this cupboard area, and then the dining area is here. We have like table for four, and just parallel to that is a kitchen. We have here a microwave, a kettle for warming the water, toaster, a small stove, electric stove, then some utensils there. As you can see, we've been cooking our breakfast here. And then we have here the small fridge.
Oh, what's inside your fridge?
Okay. So we've been doing some groceries, but I don't know what's left here. So we have some wine, beer, juice, some cheese left, tomatoes, eggs. Yeah. So we have salt, pepper, sugar, oil is here. Moving on, when you enter from the door, the left side is the bathroom. So let's enter the bathroom. Open it. So as you enter the bathroom, this is how it looks like. There's a toilet here, little mirror here, a washing machine in here, and the shower here. There's like two types of shower. There's like a rainfall, and just a normal shower. The toilet or the bathroom is also connected to the room. The door here will lead to their bedroom. So this is the bedroom. This is a double bed, and it's just basically a simple bed. And then there's like a small closet here, portable closet. Yeah. And then the view from the bed outside is the dining area leading to the living area.
Let's show what is the view from the room. So this is the Budapest view from the room.
Okay. Now there's also one cool part about this window. There's also like a blinds from outside. This is cool. This is the first time I saw this. So if it's so sunny outside, what you can just do is to
put it down, you press here, and the curtain is coming down.
And then, if you want some light to come into your room, you can just pull it like this.
Window curtains up?
Yeah. Then there's light inside.
Oh,
natural light. There's an air conditioner here as well in the room. There's another air conditioner here, which is really perfect. And we have the TV and these routers. This apartment, this flat, is actually in a old building. The flat is renovated, but the building is very old, like, you know, there's history buildings, something like that.
Historic buildings.
This area is a patched area, and it's very near the Danube bank. You will just walk like maximum 5 minutes and you're in the Danube bank. In the map, as you can see, okay, this is the Danube River. And here we are. the center of Budapest and the Pest area. This is a perfect location. Everything is so near. A few meters away, you're in the St. Stephen's Basilica. A few meters, you are in the Danube Bank. A few meters there, you are in the Parliament. So it's just central. It's perfect. It's a perfect place to rent for Airbnb if you wanted to save time in roaming around and checking out, exploring Budapest.
So this was the Budapest tour apartment. We're gonna be roaming around Budapest and we'll share that. Stay tuned for our Budapest videos. We hope you enjoy watching this video. Remember to share it, give us a like and comment below. And if you love watching our videos, kindly click that subscribe button above. Thanks and see you on the next one.